Welcome to Module 6 of the Digital Transformation Foundation series. This module focuses on culture, skills, and the human side of digital transformation. Remember, technology doesn't transform companies, people do. We will explore the human foundation essential for successful digital transformation. This 14-part course is brought to you by the Series of Thoughts team and Technovative AI as part of the Digital Transformation Foundations program. Our learning objectives are centered on culture, skills, and mindset. We will cover why culture predicts success, how to reshape the workplace, the psychology behind change resistance, cultivating a digital-first mindset, and continuous learning leadership techniques. Most digital transformations fail because the culture cannot absorb the change, not because the technology is wrong. Technology is just an enabler. The real transformation requires people to change how they think, work, and collaborate. The critical insight is that companies fail at changing behavior and mindset quickly enough to leverage new technology. Culture is often the hardest part of any transformation. It involves deep-seated behaviors and beliefs that are resistant to change. Digital transformation demands new behaviors. Success hinges on a cultural shift where speed replaces caution, experimentation replaces perfection, data replaces hierarchy, and collaboration replaces silos. Culture dictates whether new capabilities are used effectively. Culture is critical because it determines execution speed, tool adoption, and innovation frequency. When organizations maintain legacy behaviors with cutting-edge technology, it creates friction, confusion, and ultimate failure. Next, we will explore the psychology of resistance. Resistance is human, not irrational. People resist due to real psychological threats. These fears include incompetence, irrelevance, loss of control, and transparency. Addressing these fears is essential for effective transformation. Misunderstanding resistance leads to slowed adoption, shadow processes, and political warfare. When leaders treat resistance as obstruction instead of an identity threat, they create adversaries instead of allies. The foundation for digital success requires a significant skills evolution. Strategic talent evolution includes upskilling, which improves existing skills, reskilling, which shifts people into entirely different roles, and role redesign, which creates new positions needed for digital ways of working. Skills determine transformation speed by driving execution, adoption rates, and competitive advantage. Organizations often train on tools without redesigning roles, resulting in confusion and train talent with unclear mandates. Developing a digital-first mindset is paramount. A digital-first mindset is a fundamental shift in how people think and make decisions. Key elements include a bias for action, comfort with ambiguity, customer obsession, data-driven decisions, and continuous learning. Mindset is the difference between teams that embrace and those that resist transformation. Leaders must make mindset development as explicit as tool training. Otherwise, people comply but continue thinking in old patterns, causing adoption to stall. Digital transformation requires breaking down silos. Cross-functional collaboration is non-negotiable for digital transformation. Organizations must move from isolated departmental silos toward integrated squads, where teams collaborate daily on shared outcomes, shifting knowledge flow horizontally. Integration accelerates innovation through faster decision-making, better solutions, and shared ownership. If traditional reporting structures persist alongside demands for agile teams, silos will persist, leading to slow progress and conflicting priorities. Leadership behaviors are crucial to transformation success. Leaders must model the transformation. Organizations follow the actual behaviors of their leaders, not just the documented strategy. Key leadership behaviors include transparency, curiosity, empowerment, experimentation, and being data-driven. The leadership behavior gap, the difference between what leaders say and what they do, destroys credibility. For instance, demanding agility while requiring extensive approvals guarantees failure. Teams watch what leaders do, not what they say. A strong culture of experimentation is vital. Digital transformation thrives when experimentation is normalized. This includes rapid prototyping, A/B testing, and fast feedback loops. Psychological safety is essential for creating environments where people can admit failures and share learnings. Experimentation creates a competitive advantage by enabling organizations to learn faster. Innovation becomes continuous, and risk is managed through small, contained tests. Punishing failure causes teams to stop experimenting, leading to innovation stagnation. Incentives must evolve to match transformation goals. To change culture, you must change what gets rewarded. People optimize for the metrics and incentives you use. Reward learning, collaboration, speed, and iteration, not just perfect outcomes or individual performance. The incentive misalignment trap occurs when performance systems reward legacy behaviors, while leaders preach transformation. Common misalignments include rewarding individual metrics in a collaborative world, or punishing failures when encouraging experimentation. Successful transformation relies on all human factors reinforcing each other. Strong leadership enables experimentation, which builds skills, which drives collaboration, reinforcing mindset shifts. Aligned incentives sustain these behaviors over time. The integrated human system includes mindset, which drives approach, skills, which enable execution, collaboration, which accelerates innovation, leadership, which sets the tone, and incentives, which sustain new behaviors. We now enter a time for reflection. Consider where your culture is resisting transformation. Look for shadow processes, passive-aggressive compliance, or departments that slow initiatives. Ask what underlying fears or identity threats are driving this resistance. Identify which roles require upskilling, reskilling, or complete redesign. Strategic talent evolution is needed for roles where core functions change, roles being automated, and new functions required for digital operations. What specific behaviors must your leaders model, such as making data-driven decisions or admitting mistakes publicly? Also, examine your incentives. Where do performance systems reward legacy behaviors, like individual metrics, in a collaborative environment? Transformation requires starting small. What experiments could your team run this month? Keep the scope small. Define the learning objectives explicitly, and share the results transparently, even when the experiment fails. In summary, culture trumps technology. Resistance is addressable identity threat. Skills must evolve strategically, and mindset drives adoption. Leaders must model the change, and incentives must align with digital goals. Thank you for viewing this video.